Edify, brought to you by Row in association with LBC, another level business club. Join me this and every Friday at 12 midday for the highlights.
This is a message from Kingston and St. Andrew Local Board of Health. Some persons are concerned about fruits and vegetables.
19, sponsored by Boom Energy Drink, the main event, Magnum, Loop, and the RGR Gleaner Group. Get your tickets early online. The Deck, a new restaurant and a sports bar. It's a grand opening and a special Mother's Day celebration. Do you need to see your subjects and don't know where to go? We can help you get that 1 or 2 at Morants Bay Community College. Shango Fest 2019, Saturday, May 4 at Alligator Head Foundation, Dolphin Bay, Port Antonio. Live in concert, Lee Scratch Perry, Charlie Black, Luciano, Ras Zachary, and Janai. We save you time and money through our cashback program where we give you $500 per person you recommend. Discounts off fee or free registration when you bring 2 friends.